Does your Instagram shop appear as active when you go to your own Instagram profile? You can click view shop, see all the products in there, but when you go and look at it from somebody else's profile, it is not visible. What does it mean? What is wrong with it and how can you fix it? Let's find out in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online using affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and much more. So if you're interested in these kind of topics and learning how to increase your online revenue, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So in today's video, we're talking about how your Instagram shop can appear as visible to you and as working for you, but not for others. Usually this happens when you've previously tried to enable this feature on your account and your Instagram shop was active for a little bit and then maybe it disappeared. Or your Instagram shop was somehow approved but your commerce manager wasn't, so that's why it stayed visible only to you. So you have the view shop option on your profile, you can see all the products. Sometimes you can even tag products from your account, but if somebody else clicks on your profile, they're not visible. So obviously your customers won't be able to see them. So how do you fix that? What do you need to do? The first thing you will want to do is go to business.facebook.com and go to your commerce manager account that you've used to enable these feature. So the commerce account that you've tried to enable this feature from. This should show the overview and the shop application, and it should tell you if your shop was approved or not, and if not, they should give you a reason why. More often than not, in these situations, you will see your Instagram shop was approved, but if you scroll a little bit into your commerce manager, you will see shop was not published or your commerce account didn't pass our standard review. And when you go to shops, you will see this red sign and that will tell you that the shop is disabled, and the same thing, that your commerce account did not pass their review. So what do you do in this case? How do you fix it? The first thing you want to do is to check if your products have any errors, and for that you'll need to go to your catalog and click on the products if they have a red mark on them or an orange mark, and you'll need to see if the website link is the same as on your platform, as on your verified domain. If any of the items are rejected for their commerce policies or any other thing, you'll need to submit them for review. If you want to learn how to do that and more reasons why products can be disabled or rejected, you can watch this video right here. Next, you'll need to check that your website domain is properly verified, and for that you'll need to go to your business settings, brand safety and domains, and make sure your website is verified in the same business manager as your commerce account. If your website is not verified, you weren't aware you need a website to be verified, in that case you'll need to purchase a unique domain name for your website and verify it using the help of these videos right here. This is one important step that will get you closer to getting your Instagram shop approved. Another error can be caused by the fact that your Instagram account and Facebook page don't have demonstrated trustworthiness, you don't have an established presence, so you don't have a sufficient follower base and engagement. If you've submitted your accounts for review before you reach those goals for your account, Facebook might have rejected it for shops as well, and Facebook might have rejected your Facebook page in this case, even if it says that your Instagram account was approved for a shop. Because if you were to contact Facebook support, they will tell you this exact same thing, that you need to grow your following and engagement on your Facebook page. So make sure that that is at least as consistent as your Instagram account before applying. If that is the case, and if you see that is the case because you don't have any other errors, I suggest spending some time trying to grow your Facebook page. You can do that with ads or with consistent posting or by inviting your friends to like your page. And I share a bunch more tips on how to grow your Facebook page organically in this video right here. So you might want to watch that and then grow your accounts both and post daily and stay active before applying for another review. Of course, another error besides your website being verified can be caused by your website being rejected. And there are a bunch of reasons why that can happen. I share them all in this video right here, and I share how you can fix that before submitting your website for review again and submitting your entire account for a shop review again. So these are a few reasons why your shop is not available for others and how you can fix it. If this still doesn't work for you, or if you don't want the stress of it, I can do this for you. I can help you enable the shop. It is a service I offer on my website, so you can get in contact with me by filling out the form below, or you can contact me on social media at lydia.incomingsuccess. Make sure to also follow me on there and on TikTok, because I post a lot more content on growing online with social media. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.